Hey y'all, we're here at Satsuma Apartments in Satsuma, Alabama. This is a pet-friendly community in a great location. Today, we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Outside of every unit, you'll find a covered patio or balcony. Come on in. Right when you enter, there is the spacious living room with gorgeous plank flooring. Down the hall, you'll find some storage cabinets that could be used as a linen closet or a pantry. The fully equipped kitchen. The laundry room with washer and dryer hookups. A full bathroom. And the bedroom, which features a large closet. Click the link below to book your tour today.